Hello friends, today we are going to make a video using a AI tool, video generator tool, AI generator tool that can make a video without any editing. Only you have to paste the text in the app and then you can do that. For that, go to your Google Chrome and in Google Chrome search for Lumen5. As you can see, there is an interface for Lumin5 in your browser. From there you can log in using Facebook or using your email also. After logging in, let us go forward. First you have to make a script. Okay, the making of script is also so easy. For that you have to go to chat GPT, and in chat GPT you can type your script and make a video. For that go to chat GPT, and as you can see, I have made a script for top 10 famous persons in the world, and you have to give specifics to the chat GPT as I have done here. For YouTube video, make a script. It will generate a script, text script which you can use. Let us see. As you can see in the script, the script is being made, and after a certain time the script is ready, and you can see at the bottom there is a paste option, copy option. You can copy the script and go to your previous page where you have logged into making a video. After going to login page, here you can see project, add new project. Here you can choose the template, and a demo of the template is also being shown here. After choosing the template, choose a template and continue. As you can see, the processing is being done. It may take 1 minute or less. It depends on your phone speed. And here you can see here the 4 options. Among them you have to choose one, make a video, and after that here is the interface where you can paste your script. As you paste your script, the bottom there is the option for continue, and after continuing, the AI will make a script for itself, and dialogues and interfaces. As continue, as you can see now the video is being generated in the AI. It may take some time while generating. You have to be patient for generating. It may take some time, or sometimes the mobile may hang, but you have to stick around and give it time. And after that you can see as it processed and goes, the new video has been generated, and you can just uh, publish the video. And after publishing the video, it will open another interface where the video will be loaded and will be seen. You can see the video that I have done. After that it will render, rendering. It takes some time while rendering. After rendering, there is option for downloading, and after downloading you can see that the video is being made. As you can see, the video is there. In this video you can go to your editor and add audio. Mainly video is made with a sound. If you want to add audio, you can go to your editor and add the audio, and a new video is being made, and you can directly post into your YouTube or social media and earn the money that you wanted to earn. So this is for now. If you generally like the video, then support me. Thank you.